Good job.
Look
Right?
what B-Bot came up with there.
I know.
Very nice.
And I got to say, I don't care what the weather is at Tahoe. I like going up there, but it looks pretty nice up there right now.
And it's going to be cleaner.
Yeah, yes, it is.
And that might be a good destination to go as things heat up around inland Northern California over the next few days. And we started to see that warming trend today. Look at Fairfield, up to 90 degrees, 80s for most of our valleys, including San Jose, 80 degrees, wind out of the north. So as temperatures climb and we see breezy conditions at times, obviously we'll have to watch some fire danger issues, especially as inland temperatures climb towards the 90s by tomorrow. 81 degrees in Dublin. You see humidity at 26%, dry. And for now, still 60s in San Francisco, but we're thinking 70s tomorrow, with Tuesday being the hottest day of the week, Bayside and inland. Air quality, you'll probably notice the skies turning a bit more hazy. Not a spare the air day tomorrow, but the air not as clean as we had over the last couple of days. We've had really good air quality, everything in the green, not so much tomorrow, especially for the Santa Clara Valley and the inland East Bay. So for now, winds are still strongly onshore. That is keeping our temperatures comfortable for plans today. Tomorrow, less of that sea breeze impact inland, which will allow temperatures to climb up. We'll see a few high clouds passing by, but also notice what's missing at the coast. We're going to see less of that ocean air conditioning, which will set the stage for progressively warmer days through the middle part of the week. Tomorrow morning, we start off with upper 50s and low 60s by lunchtime, and that Warriors Parade. Look at that, 70s around San Francisco, upper 70s Oakland, 80s again in San Jose. But unlike today, more 90s around the Tri-Valley, Concord, up towards Santa Rosa, and also for Morgan Hill down into San Martin and Gilroy. You'll see some low 90s tomorrow. But look at Tuesday. Yes, we've got 90s and 100-degree temperatures across the valleys. Concord, Fairfield, Livermore above 100 degrees. But notice Bayside temperatures here. Here's what's a little bit different is you got 80s and 90s Bayside. So this could lead to some heat advisories on Tuesday. So watch the forecast for that. By Wednesday, the numbers come down a little bit. But I think we'll be watching the skies more closely as clouds start to come up out of the south. We'll have more on that coming up in 30 seconds. And by Thursday now, we're still in those mid-90s inland, but Bayside temperatures mostly in the 70s and 80s. So what we'll be bringing in the clouds is a pretty interesting setup. We've got what's left of a tropical storm off the coast of Baja California. This circulation, which is right off the central coast, watch how it draws up that moisture towards the Sierra and California. So what we're going to get on Wednesday will be increasing clouds, and the Sierra should see a chance of showers. But the issue here is it's hot and it's dry, and there's the potential that while we could see showers over the Sierra, some of this may involve lightning, which is what this model is picking up. Those areas in blue there, you can see that some of those stronger storms may have some lightning, especially out near the Sierra, so we'll have to watch for those mountains on Thursday as our temperatures just very slowly cool down. So San Francisco, one truly hot day downtown. Thankfully not for the Warriors Parade tomorrow. It's going to be Tuesday. We're expecting some 80s and valley temperatures tomorrow, some 90s inland. Hottest days of the week Tuesday and Wednesday, and staying in the 90s through Thursday and Friday, cooling as we head into next weekend. So there's a lot coming our way. Certainly heat is the big story through the middle part of the week, then watching those mountains for any chances of showers as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. So stay tuned.
A lot going on this week. All right, Rob, thank you.